Here is how we attach a pad to a Swiffer Sweeper before using it. Let's get a pad. To attach the cloth to the sweeper, place an open cloth on the floor. Then, fold the sides of the sheet over the edges of the sweeper head and tuck them into the 4 rubber grippers right here. The pad will not stay wet for long, so you can spray a cleaning solution where there's more dirt to help the pad stay wet while you are cleaning. You can use the other surface of the pad to clean if you would like. It works fine like the main surface of the pad. There you have it.